Okay, for investigation number 4, we're looking at which materials conduct electricity and which materials don't conduct electricity, or they're called insulators. So for this, you need a range of materials. Materials that do conduct electricity are materials that are made from metal, okay, like scissors. And you'll need some materials that won't conduct electricity, like plastic, wood, so your insulators, and we've got a few objects in here. So I'll just take what I've collected. Got lollipop sticks, pen, cork, a rubber, an elastic band, and we've got some paper clips here. So a great starting point with the children would be to put all these materials out and first get them to predict which materials do you think will conduct electricity in the circuit and which materials do you think will not conduct electricity and will be insulators in the circuit. The children could then put their materials in a pile, so they might say, right, I think these ones are going to conduct electricity and I think these ones are not going to conduct electricity, they're the insulators. Okay, so from that we need to now set up our circuit to test, and we're going to test a light bulb today and see which one of these materials will help to light up our light bulb in our circuit. So we are going to need our battery packs again and a wire, and we clip our first wire onto our, remember, a little metal bit, and then onto the light bulb here. Okay, and then we need another crocodile clip from the light bulb here. But we're not going to connect this on because we need a space now to test our materials. So we're going to get our last crocodile clip, our third crocodile clip, click it onto the metal here, and we're going to leave a space like this. So we've got our light bulb here, and here's our space for connecting our materials. And just to check if it's going to work, you can put the two bits of metal together and the light bulb will light up. So you need a space here for your two crocodile clips to test. Okay, so here you might ask the children, right, which we'd like to test first, and a lot of them always think that a pen will conduct electricity, so let's try the pen first. So you simply put the pen in the middle, and it just got to be touching, and if I switch it on the battery pack, you can clearly see that the pen is not a conductor of electricity, and it's not lighting up the light bulb. And then you can talk about why is this for the children, because plastic isn't a great conductor of electricity, okay? Then you might try something different. So let's try the scissors, and the scissors are quite interesting because they've got a metal part and they've also got a plastic part, so another good discussion point with the children. So let's put our scissors in the metal part first. Make sure both your crocodile clips are touching, and what's also important is make sure these aren't touching on here, it's just touching the material you're testing. And if we switch it on, hey, we can see that the scissors, the metal part, does conduct electricity and it is lighting up our light bulb. But remember to switch it off each time. If you put it onto the plastic bit of the scissors, and if we click on, you can see the plastic bit is an insulator, whereas the metal part is a conductor of electricity. Okay, and we'll just do one more example. Let's try the paper clip, and the paper clip is good because you can clip these onto here, like this. And if we switch on, again you can ask the children, hands up who thinks yes, it will conduct electricity, hands up who thinks no. So we're getting lots of predicting skills in here. And if we switch it on, oh, this one doesn't seem to be conducting electricity. I think it's because it's got a plastic coating on it. So we switch the battery pack back off, and we get this paper clip that's got metal and it's got no plastic coating on it. If we try this one instead, and then switch on, you can see that this does conduct electricity. So that's really fascinating that it's two paper clips made with the same material, apart from this paper clip is coated in plastic, just like the wires are coated in plastic here. So it won't conduct electricity. And if we switch it off, okay?